Hi, if you want to use Burp Suite in browser using Foxy Proxy like this, I'm gonna teach you how to today. Okay, you go to the browser you want to start Burp on or configure Burp on. Then you go type here Foxy Proxy Extension, and you download it from the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox Web Store, depending on your browser. I'm using Opera, so I'm gonna have to download the Chrome one. Okay, now it's been added right here at the top, right? Then you go to the extension, then you go here to options. Okay, since we're now here, we can go now to the proxies tab. We can add one, let's say add, title, let's name Burp, type HTTP, host name, this is to be localhost, and port, it listens on 88. Okay, now you click save. Okay, now as it's saved, you're gonna see it here in extensions. You're gonna click this. Now it's configured to Burp. So when you visit this website and you do a refresh, you're gonna see it saying no internet. Why is it saying that? Because we don't have Burp actually open. Now we open it. Our Burp is now open. Let's go and do one more refresh. Now it works. But this is because it's a not secure site. This is because it's an HTTP site. What if you want to go, like, for example, to youtube.com? You're gonna see a problem right here. Just wait. Or not actually, maybe I have configured it. 1 second. Well, now I don't have this problem when I go to youtube.com because I have the certificate already installed. But if you don't, or if it says something about the certificate, you go to http ://BurpSuite and wait a second, it's gonna load some page. Yeah, welcome to BurpSuite Professional or Community Edition, whatever you have. Then you go here to the CA certificate, you get this certificate. Okay, how to upload it or how to do anything. You go to the settings tab right here, this is it in Opera, and you search for certificate, or go to privacy and security and go down until you see the security tab right here. Click on it, manage certificates, and when it loads like this, you should enter your certificate. How to do that? You go manage imported certificates, then you do import. You go right here and click browse, go to downloads, let's say test, no items. Okay, so you choose all files. We have the cacert.der. Okay, now choose open. Next, Windows can automatically place all the okay, next, and finish. The import was successful. Now you won't have a trouble loading HTTPS sites like this. And yeah, now it should be configured. Now let's go maybe try it right here. We have Burp now. Let's make sure we have the extension ready. It is. Now we go to the proxy, intercept is on, and type in username like admin test. Okay, as you can see, it's right here, the request. We can do some SQL injection. Let's see our link with it, or let's encode it. 1 equals 1 double dash, and do the same for our password. Let's see the response. 200. Okay, you have an error in your SQL syntax. Okay, I may have because of this, maybe. It's okay. And yeah, this is now working. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one.